Hi, I'm Matthew Jager with Satellite Industries, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the new dual closure on the old PolyPortable Axxis units. And the reason why we're going to be installing this new dual closure is because these old true hinges that are on these PolyPortable Axxis units have a tendency to fail after a few thousand cycles. This new dual cable closure that we have installed here lasts 3 to 4 times longer than the TruClose hinges do. The first step is what we want to do is we want to mark out the placement of our new door closures. To do so, we're going to measure 4 1/4 inches off of this knuckle in both top and bottom, and we're going to measure 4 1/4 inches off the top of the latch and mark right here. We're going to measure 7 1/2 inches off the bottom of the latch. All right, next step, what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4-foot level and we're going to mark on the corner here. Now when we're drilling these out, make sure to only go through the first wall and not the second wall. Now when drilling out this side, make sure you're on the corner at a 45-degree angle. Now we got these 4 holes drilled out, I'm going to mark out where our brackets go on the back side here. I'm going to mark like that. Now we're going to install our top closure. One thing we want to keep in mind is on some of these old PolyPortable Axxis units, this pole could run high or it could run low. So if we run into any problems when we're sliding this through to grab our closure unit and we're hitting this, you just simply need to take these 2 rivets out, pull at the handle, cut it down a little bit, and put it back in to make sure that you got room on the top and the bottom. Now that we got our hole drilled out, we're going to take our bracket, our rivet, and our washer, take the end of our closure, line everything up, put it in there. Now the top one is installed. Thank you for watching our video on the old PolyPortable Axxis dual closure. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-883-1123 or your local regional manager, or leave a comment below. Thank you and have a nice day.